So now we are going to discuss about the Tableau interview questions. So here we have to discuss 30 interview questions. So first one is what is Tableau? So Tableau is one of the best and standard lead business intelligence tool in this field. So it's collaborative and powerful with end-to-end secure and flexible business analytics tool for our data. So second question is steps involved in Tableau software. So we are following like this 7 steps to focus before we working on this Tableau. So first one is understand cognitive perceptions. So what's my cognitive perception is means like a leverage strength of our brain. So second was like eliminate visual clutter. In this point, like eliminate visual clutter is represent like focuses on the business insight. Okay. Then third one is choose an appropriate display mechanism. So in this type, like we are create the more number of charts. So this graph type to match the messages. Design dashboard. It means solve the business question easily by designing the dashboards. Explore visually. Yeah, systematic process to generate insight. Then sixth one is analyze visually. That means technique to extract meaningful information from large data set. So final one is create dashboards. So transform complex data into information. So these are called steps involved in Tableau software. So third question is define business intelligence. So in this concept, getting the data from various resources, various databases, and it's like different format into BA process. This process broken the data into meaningful informations. So taking the raw data, which is coming from different sources and different format into business intelligence process. That data broken down to understandable process, like meaningful business insights, like charts and like diagrams, dashboard, storyboard views. Fourth one is data types in Tableau. So in this Tableau tool, we are using like around the 5 types of data. For example, number or numeric, like sales and profit discount, like data. Then string and textured data is called like a dimensions. So name, then country, region. These types of data are called like a string. And datetime format and boolean is like a true false related data types. And final is a graphical oriented like latitude longitude map and state country maps details. So another fifth question is Tableau version classified. So we are having the 3 types of version. One is a desktop version. It's like a linear version, and also it's having only 14 days of trial period. After this complete the 14 days, it will be expired. Then another one is a public version. It's a free version. Then final one is a server. It's like a collaborative version, so we can easily collaborate the worksheet and the work table, storyboard in these particular versions. Sixth one is how to classify the data in Tableau. So in this Tableau, one is the dimension and another one is called like measures. Okay, so dimensions is this data, it's a type of discrete type, and measured data is having the continuous data or variables. So for example, dimension means the name, category, state name, then segment, like subcategory, etc. So measures is called are all the numeric, so sales, profit, discount, so like count, etc. Seventh question is what are the filters available in Tableau? So first one is a extract filter. So another one similar is a live and extract option in this Tableau. So if you want use to the previous data or previous informations, previous types record, so we can use the like extract filter, or otherwise we can use the live records. Then data source filter. This filter is useful to getting the meaningful information whatever we need to from the data sources. So contact filter is used to identify the purpose of the records or the filters. So then like a dimension filter, then measure filter, and final one is a table calculation filter. Eighth question is rank function in Tableau. So the rank function is used to any number of related measure. For example, you can just click and create the calculated field and search different functions available in this calculated field from this table calculations area. So just select the functions like a rank. So f of like a function of rank is a sum of sales. So if any other product is having the high number of like a maximum number of sales is denote the first rank, so highest value denote the first rank. The ninth one is define dual axis in Tableau. So using in this dual axis we just create the dual axis by the one dimensions values and two measures continuous value variables, so we can create the dual axis chart. Here with two measures in different set of scales or axes. Okay, so 10th one is what is blend. Blend is it's like a simple like combinations or two or more different data sources is called the blending. So then another one is joining. So joining means, so like blend is like two or more different data sources, but joining is also combine the two or more tables or worksheet from the same single data sources is called joining. Okay, so the data like the database is single, so we have the like multiple worksheet or multiple tables. So this kind of process is called the join. So 12th one is what is heat map in Tableau. So for example, the heat map is like represent to use the correlation analysis. So data evaluation is very powerful tool to represent the matrix of values of KPIs with like custom color scale. So 13 is what is tree map. Tree maps is similar to the heat map, but it slightly different. So diamonds will define the structure, whether it's a rectangle or square. The size of the box is based on the value of measures. If the measure values is increased in the box, the size is also the increase. Like if the maximum sales occurred in this particular state or region, that particular box is also very large. It's compared with another box. So this chart is called the tree map. So define set. Set are basically custom fields of set of data which is created based on some condition itself. So 15th is a define group. For example, we have the multiple region like west, south, north, east. So I want to just compare the east and west in the same group or the same packages. This types of process called the group. So the multiple data in one packages come to call as group. Okay. 16th one is a parameter in Tableau. So in this concept we have worked the parameter with a filter and set fields. So dynamically value that you can change the interact with charts. Once you vary change, the charts also change, like the drop down boxes. For example, the region wise data splitted, so we can easily choose the particular region for the east or west region. I just simply click this drop down boxes, then the chart will also changes. So 17 one is a dashboard in Tableau. So the dashboard is the collection of all different views, all the different worksheets in one place used by the analysis process. So we can easily present this like data impact to this client or the business peoples. Define bar chart. So this like basically one measure and one dimension. We can easily create the bar chart. The rectangular column is a display and the size of the column represents the value of the measures. If the value of measure is increased, the column also the increases. So 19th one is the define a stacked bar chart. It's a like next process of this bar chart. So for example, we create the bar chart by the category and sales. So then again we just split the bar by the subcategory dimensions. So in this bar chart, each bar is segregated by the dimensions. Types of calculated field in Tableau. We are having the two types of calculated field. One is the database related calculation, then another is table related calculation. 21 is the define pie chart in Tableau. So we can create the pie chart with a minimum of one dimension and one measure. We can easily classify the value by the specific dimensions. So we can segregate the sales, for example, the sales amount by segregate by the categories or like the subcategories. So 22nd is the define the donut chart in Tableau. So it's the next process of the pie chart. So we can we just create the like two pie charts and by the help of the dual axis features, so we can easily create the donut chart. So 23, define the funnel chart in Tableau. The funnel chart is used to represent the measured values at the different stages, different sectors or different segments. It's like a step-by-step process, step-by-step segments. This types of chart is called the funnel chart. So discrete and continuous variables in Tableau, we already told about this. Like the dimensions is called the discrete values and measure is called the continuous values. So because the main reason is if we pick the data from the dimensions, it act like a distinct one. Then that's the same way. If we just pick the data from the measures, then it acts like aggregator. So total sum or maximum or the average, for example, right? So 25th, define bubble chart in Tableau. So in bubble chart, the circle represent the dimension, the size represent the measures. So based on the size, so this circle is also the increase, circle types also big. So 26th is a scatter chart in Tableau. For example, if you identify the profit and sales combined charts so we can easily identify that report by the help of the scatter chart. So the different point in scattering in the Cartesian plane, this is called the scatter chart. Minimum two measures I need to create the scatter chart. So 27 is define the bump chart in Tableau. So bump chart means it's nothing but it's like a rank based line chart. Once where the rank change based the time lapse. Okay, so 28 is the number function in Tableau. What's the number function? Is the number function is like some of the aggregator function, for example the maximum, minimum and average, then count, okay, then sum of the values. So functions which are created by the measure deal with the arithmetic operator or the aggregator method, so called the number function. So in this concept we have used the final one, like 29th is define the butterfly chart in Tableau. So in this chart because we are used to just compare the two measures with the sharing the value of the same dimensions, like the mirror concept, so right and left side. So 30th one, okay, then this is the final and last one. So explain the key factor in the line. So it's the most important just before create the line chart. So this key factor is like trends and patterns and peaks and troughs, then like a recurring pattern, that means the seasonality and cyclicality. Thank you.